Lord, as we also come today, we remember all those who lost their lives 45 years ago, whose families were changed forever. For the events on August the 17th, 1969, and especially remember those who perished, and these three ladies known to God.
Katrina, but Camille was a terrible, terrible, terrible lady. So we commemorate this every year. We put this wreath up there for those that died and for memory of the terrible storm 45 years ago.
Fear and awe revolved around the name Camille. With walls of water and walls of wind, Camille arrived. I heard her howls of torment and come to understand the agony she must have felt when Camille hit land.
Prayers on behalf of those remembered today, and grant them an entrance into the land of light and joy in the fellowship of your saints.
Granville H. Alexander. Granville Jack Alexander.
Andrew Green. D.L. Griffin.
Anise Sade Moses. Elmer Lawrence Nelson.
Missy E.W. Beeler. Mrs. Bird. Billy Carroll Carter.
Richard Devereaux.